Okay, we're going to talk today about the first three tools that we see on the menu: spelling and grammar, word count, and suggested edits. We're going to start with spelling and grammar, and you can see that I have enabled the first three items here. Personal dictionary is one I've not turned on, so we're going to take a look at that. And this is a great tool for adding those names. Google may not recognize an accurate spelling of a unique name, so this is a way for you to add it, and then every time you use it in your Google Docs, Google recognizes it now as a correct spelling, and you won't get the nasty little red underline. And so you can see that here are some misspelled words that are identified with a red line. And because I have my tools enabled to show the spelling suggestions, when I hover over the word, I have the option of just clicking on the word choice and changing it. I could also, when I click on it, I could ignore it, or I could get some feedback, which means I could to say that, this suggestion is wrong, and then they're going to not give me that suggestion again. I could say it's unclear or provide more details. What info will be shared with? Okay, so we're going to click on the details. My original text is, and I can make these changes and then give feedback and send that feedback back to Google. Okay, I don't need to do that. I know that I've misspelled paper. So the next thing are the blue underlines, and those are our grammar errors because we have enabled the grammar suggestions. It's going to pick up the synonyms that we have used instead of the correct word. So again, I can make those changes very easily. The next thing we're going to talk about is word count. Word count, I can click on it. It's going to give me information about my page. I could display the word count while I'm typing. This might be beneficial, and you can see it's down here at the bottom corner. It gives me all that little information here, or I could hide it. If there's a 250 word essay that is due, your students might want to get it right down to the number of words. So that is an option. The next thing is to review suggested edits. If you have given this document to someone to comment or view, they can turn on editing mode and suggest some items. It doesn't change your original document. You can see at this time there aren't any suggestions, but if there were, they would look. This is what you would see, and I could go ahead and accept those. And so when I accept them, because I agree that they are correct, I just simply click on the check mark and make those changes.